Imagine signing a new local business client in 5 minutes instead of 3 weeks. No discovery calls, no briefing docs, no questionnaires. Just paste their website URL, show them a live funnel, and let the AI call their first new lead while you still on the demo call with them. Agentic Agency, the world's first agentic local marketing system that turns any business website into a complete lead generation operation. Funnel built and published, leads called within seconds, follow-up running automatically, all in under 5 minutes. Here's how it works. First, you paste your client's website URL. The AI reads their entire site, understanding their services, their pricing, their hours, their unique selling points, and what makes them different from every competitor in their area. Next, it generates a conversion-ready funnel strategy for their business, not a generic template, an actual strategy based on their specific offerings and customers. Watch this. I paste Apple Tree Dental's website URL. Within 2 minutes, the AI builds their complete business profile. Pediatric dental practice, gentle and fun approach for kids, accepts most insurances, offers sedation options, digital x-rays and preventative care. I click build funnel. The headline writes itself. Benefit bullets, a lead capture form, and an FAQ section, all written for Apple Tree Dental specifically, pulled from their actual website. And one more click, the funnel is now live. And this is where Agentic Agency separates itself from every other funnel builder on the market. The moment a lead fills out that form, the moment they click submit, the AI calls them. Not in an hour, seconds, while they're still on the page, still thinking about booking. This is a real call, unedited, triggered automatically the moment a lead submitted the Apple Tree Dental form.
Hi Daniel, this is Apple Tree Dental. I just saw your request pop up and wanted to connect right away. I should let you know that I am an AI assistant calling on behalf of this business. This call may be recorded for quality purposes. What kind of care are you hoping to find for your child today?
Oh, hi. Yeah, I think I filled something out on your website earlier. I'm mostly just wondering what you guys actually do.
We focus on making dental visits fun and comfortable for kids. We provide routine cleanings, digital x-rays, fluoride, and sealants, all in a gentle environment. How old is your child? And were there any specific concerns you had?
No, that sounds good. He's about 6 years old, no big concerns right now. Roughly, how much does something like that cost usually?
That's great, he's 6. Costs can vary depending on the specific services needed. Do you happen to have dental insurance, and we could check into that for you? Or were you just wanting a general price idea for now?
I do have insurance, but just a general price would be great for now. Could you maybe just send me an email with all the details so I can take a look?
Sure, I can send that over. What's the best email address to use? And did you want to chat briefly about your insurance, or just wait for that email?
My email is danielpark85@yahoo.com. I'll just wait for the email, thanks.
Got it, danielpark85@yahoo.com. I'll get that information over to you right away. Have a great day.
All right, sounds good. Take care.
You too. Goodbye.
There's no human involved in this process, no script loaded by hand, no one pressing a button. The AI introduced itself, handled pricing and insurance questions, captured an email, and closed warmly. That's what every new lead experiences the moment they opt in. Now here's what happens when a lead pushes back.
Whoa, that's way too expensive. I was thinking more like half that.
I understand your concern about costs. To give you a clearer idea, we'd need to know a little more about the services required. Perhaps we could schedule a consultation to get started and discuss those details? That way we can provide an accurate plan for your child.
I don't know, man. That's still a lot of money. What if I don't like it?
We really want to make sure you and your child feel comfortable, so we focus on a pain-free, gentle experience. If you're unsure, maybe starting with just a consultation would be best, so you can meet our team and see our child-friendly environment. How does that sound?
Let me think about it.
See, no panic, no discount drop, a pivot instead to value, a low commitment next step, and a respectful close. That's your client's AI at 11 p.m. on a Saturday when a lead says that's way too expensive. Every lead who doesn't pick up or who needs more time enters a 3-day automated follow-up sequence, AI written emails and SMS messages, business specific, dispatched every 60 seconds around the clock. No lead goes cold because it was a Sunday. The system works for any local business, dentists, landscapers, roofers, gyms, chiropractors, restaurants, real estate agents. Each one gets a funnel, a calling system, and a follow-up sequence built and running in under 5 minutes from a URL paste. Just think about the economics of this. A traditional agency running this level of service needs a copywriter, a receptionist or call center, and a follow-up coordinator. That's $3,500 to $8,000 a month in overhead per client. Your overhead is a one-time payment at launch pricing. No monthly fee, no per call charges. You can easily charge clients $297 to $497 a month for AI calling and follow-up alone because that's the market rate. And you can deliver it in 15 minutes of setup. Your demo is devastatingly simple. Give me your website URL, you paste it, and the funnel is live in 5 minutes. A new lead comes in while you're talking, the AI calls them, and that's the close. That is Agentic Agency. You're not replacing human relationships, you're replacing the missed calls, the cold leads, the follow-ups that never happened, and the appointments that got away. The strategy is still yours. The client relationships are still yours. The business is still yours. But the 47 hours of average response time, the leads that went with whoever called first, all that is automated now. This is local marketing infrastructure for 2026, available right now for a one-time payment, no monthly fee, and 14-day money-back guarantee.